Well, if you spend time with your friends in nature, they'll bond with you and they'll trust you. And then you can go up and just pet them. See, this is how it should be. They shouldn't be afraid of us. We don't have bad intentions. They'll let us play. We have a pretty tail. Isn't that right, George boy? Oh, Georgie boy. Oh, Georgie boy. You're such a good Georgie boy. Oh, yes, you are, Georgie boy. Yeah, he's a Georgie boy. Pretty cool. Took me a few days to build his trust. Now he knows that I have walnuts and I'm not going to hurt him. Thank you, Georgie boy. Pretty cool. Take care of the wildlife, don't kill them.